back here with the big weenie. Our water pump is here. You guys saw that we celebrated at the store with Arturo. So we're going to put this baby on. Now, note I do have one stock bolt in it because that's where the power steering bracket goes. And we need to have the pump and everything ready, so we will put our ARP in that. Like I said, got our bolts all together, looking good. We're gonna flip this baby over, do a very thin bead of the right stuff on both sides of the gasket, and then we are going to send her to her home right here. Nice little bead. A nice little bead on the other side of the gasket here. Kind of mate these babies together. One less thing to worry about. Water pump, check.